Hello everybody, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia and here I get you informed on crypto, finance, investment and money related topics. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a very big thank you for always coming back. If you're a new subscriber, yay, you're highly welcome to the family. Please click on the subscribe button and stick around. I'm sure you will definitely go to the moon with my channel. Today we are going to discuss on how to get into cake tools now while they're still whitelisting. It's very good to take position. Fingers crossed. Definitely do your own research because this is not a financial advice, but whitelisting helps you to get into position of a new coin before it takes off in the market proper. So right into the video. So here it says Astronaut will be launching cake tools on November 17th at 3 p.m. UTC. If you click here, you can see the counting down time. So we still have about 5 days to November 17th, so please you better hurry and just get yourself positioned, cause fingers crossed for cake tools, you never can tell. So when you log into Gleam first, you're going to be required to sign in. Just in case you see that, please just sign in before you continue with this process. You can read through the instructions here. So the maximum contribution is $400 and there is no minimum contribution per wallet at this time. You can see here is written 10 ways to enter. So you have to join the cake tools telegram. To do that, you click here, then click on continue. So they are saying they need me to verify that I'm a real person. I'm just going to use my Facebook account to do that. So I've gotten a notification that I have signed up with my Facebook. So let's prove that I'm human. So that is done. And then I have a tick here. So next you have to join the Astronaut announcement channel. Click on it and continue. Then the next thing is I have to follow cake_tools on Twitter. So for this, if you don't have access to Twitter, you can download a VPN. You can either use Thunder VPN or Whiteshare or any other VPN that you're using to connect to VPN if you're in Nigeria. So with that, you just click on follow. So this is Thunder VPN. You just go to Thunder VPN when you have downloaded from Play Store, or if you don't have a VPN right now, please go and download Thunder VPN or Whiteshare VPN from Play Store and then continue. So I'll just click on connect. Yay, I'm in the UK. Here you have to add your username. So here I'm trying to connect to my Twitter account so that I can proceed with the sign up. So now it shows login complete and that was successful. So the next thing is to follow Astronaut talking on Twitter. So you click here, click on follow, click on continue, click on follow here. So when you've done that, you come back and click on it again and then you can see there is a tick there now. Then you have to tweet on Twitter, so click here. There's the tweet already made, so click on tweet. So I'm just going to add, please do your own research. Then I'm going to tweet. Click on connect your tweet. So you have another tweet to do. You just go ahead and do that as well. So click on tweet, click on continue, click on it again, click on continue. So here it says that to be credited for a referral, your friends must complete at least one action. Of course, you can also copy the link and share to your friends and other people. Please, my link is in the description box, and just use it and join the whitelist competition. It also helps you to be safe and avoid using the wrong links. So when that is done, you click on your BSC wallet, either on Trust Wallet or on Binance chain. Okay, let's do that. To do that, we come to Trust Wallet, then you click on Smart Chain, then you click on Receive, then you copy, then you go back. So when you're here, you click on what is your BSC wallet, then you paste it here. Make sure that it's the BEP20 that you copied. Of course, if you copy the Smart Chain, it's going to be the BEP20 wallet address. So click on continue. So right now I have completed 9 ways to enter. I need to refer a friend for me to go to the next step, so I'm going to do that later. Of course, if you're not whitelisted, you would also can join the pre-sales, and I'm going to keep you informed when that is on. But for now, this is how you get whitelisted into the Cake Tools. The Cake Tools is promising to be a big project, just like the Wakanda Inu. You never can say never in the crypto space, so fingers crossed. We just keep watching. Congratulations, guys, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment on the comment section. Let me know if you have any issues in this step. You can also just say thank you, Sylvia, or you can say you wait, Sylvia. Just leave a comment on the comment section so that this video can also come up to people that would need it. A yes will do.